What is going on, everybody? Back at you again with another video. Today is a pretty chill video. We're actually going to be doing a small amount of maintenance on the 240. This thing's been neglected for the past 4 years, and so we're going to start to do a little bit of maintenance and see if we can fix that little bit of hesitation the engine's been having. So got a fresh pack of spark plugs. NGK is always the way to go. So got fresh 4 NGK spark plugs. I'm gonna run some fuel injector cleaner through the tank and get a fresh tank of gas in it as well, but we'll probably be checking into the injectors as well. Also, I need to finally mount the sensor for the actual working temperature gauge inside the aftermarket temperature gauge that I have. It's wired into that fitting there, so I need to replace that one with that one. Should be pretty chill day working and wrenching on the 240. However, I do have to drain coolant, which never is the funnest thing to do. Also, big milestone moment for the 240. I have finally got the license plate for the 240. However, there's one small issue because there's no bracket for the license plate. Normally it'll mount up here, but these holes do not line up with the license plate. So I'm actually gonna be fabbing up a license plate holder slash bracket. So gonna be fabbing one up, probably do like a little bit of a box frame, or maybe just 2 strips that go up the side, whatever is easiest. Just got a little bit of straight aluminum, and I've got it measured out, and should have 2 little brackets be able to bolt into there on this aftermarket bumper, and that should be good. So that's what we're working on today. Let's get to it. So yeah, got that fab job done. I really like how it turned out. I think the bracket was awesome. Ended up having to go across the back here anyways, but super solid, very nice, all even across on every side. Pretty happy how this turned out. Okay, so after just pouring a lot of coolant everywhere because I couldn't get my drain bolt undone down there, I was, however, able to get the new sensor in. So I've got the new fitting in there with the sensor that runs into, and I have it at the center of the dash. You saw that in a few videos ago. So we're finally going to have a working temperature gauge inside of the car. Got that mounted up. And then the last thing we're going to be doing today, my speaker covers in the door cards are a bit of a disaster. My door cards are in pretty great shape, but unfortunately, again, with whatever speaker setup they're running, they drilled these holes in there, which is kind of unfortunate. I have a couple ideas of ways that I could fix that, but I haven't got around to that yet. but I do want to mount these so that they stay in and I don't have them just falling out when I drive. I did try hot glue. That did not work as soon as the weather got warm, and so I'm going to try and epoxy this corner instead. I'll probably just put a small little bead right there, and then it has the holder on this side, so I'll just stick it in like that and then hold it, and hopefully I can get that to hold with the epoxy. So that's what I'm doing next. The last thing we'll be doing today. A lot of progress made on the 240 today. All right, everyone, we just wrapped up these speakers, getting them put back into the doors and glued into the doors. Turned out pretty okay. I'm hoping they come back out kind of easily. That's why I kind of wanted to just put a bead of glue on this edge. They weren't sticking in there, so I had to use a little more glue than I wanted to. So hopefully these come back out, because in a future video, I'm gonna be re-spraying these. They got kind of scratched up, and these are metal, so they kind of will wear a little bit. But we're gonna be doing a full, complete makeover on this interior. I know we got the interior put back in the car, but then we're going to be wanting to get it looking even better, so that'll be including spraying these. But for now, they're back in there and not going to fall out. That pretty much wraps it up for today's video. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and as always, peace out. Have had this thing chilling in the garage for several weeks now. So we've got clamps on either side.